I powered them on. They all powered on. Wheel Rider 2000, IBM Wheel Rider 15, and the IBM Wheel Rider 10 Series 2. Powered on. See the light? It does take the paper. Nothing is printing. It could just be the ribbon. Lock, shift lock works. Space bar. Let's try that was the Wheel Rider 10. Let's go to the 15. It powers on. There's the button. The light that shows it has power. Shift light. But I can't get it to return. I'm sure there's a way to do it. And then we got the Wheel Rider 2000. It allows the paper, keys work, space, lock. You could vaguely see the print. Start your bidding now, fellas. That's the Wheel Rider 2000, the Wheel Rider 15, the Wheel Rider 10 Series 2. Start your typing now, fellas. Whoop, whoop, whoop.